In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete version history, Google Sheets tutorial. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account and that you have edit access to the file. If it's shared with others, consider letting them know you are creating a final version, so no one is surprised by a new link or file location. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner and choose Make a Copy. This is the key step that resets the version history. A settings window will appear so you can configure your new file. Give the copy a clear final name, such as Final Version, so it's easy to recognize. Then pick the destination folder in your Google Drive. Placing it somewhere intentional like a project folder or a finalized documents folder helps prevent confusion later. You'll also see options related to comments and sharing. If you include comments, those notes will carry over to the new file, which can be helpful for context but may preserve discussion you no longer need. If you choose to share with the same people, everyone who had access to the original will automatically get access to the copy. If you prefer tighter control, you can leave that unchecked and manage sharing later. Click Make a Copy. Your new document will open automatically in a separate tab. To confirm that the version history is now cleared, go to File, select Version History, then see Version History. You should only see the current moment listed as the starting point. That's your confirmation that the copy is fresh. If everything looks good and you are done with the old edit history, you can move the original file to the trash. This step is optional, but it ensures the older history tied to that original file isn't lingering in your active drive. Keep in mind that items in trash may be retained for a period before they're removed, and if the file was widely shared or linked, those links to the original will no longer work. Be sure to share the new file's link with anyone who needs it. That's it. Thanks for watching.